Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos, straight from the couch here. Got the house to myself, and I figured why not do a kit review here. Now this one I picked up from Ollie's for $12.99. It's 1/48 scale. I usually buy my kits, my airplane kits, in 1/72 scale, but since I had a very good showing of the last airplane model kit review I did, I figured why not try another one, see if it sinks or swims. So let me get the box top off and I will show you what we got here. So I want to show the decals. These are beautiful decals. First time having new decals in a plane kit for me. But these are very, very nice. And they look like they will work well. These are the assembling instructions. And I'm not going to go all the way through them because I want to show you guys what the pieces look like instead. So we got the fuselage pieces right here, which look pretty decent. This is a 1/48 scale kit, I just might want to say. So here's another piece for the side piece. So that's pretty cool too. And coming up to our first tree right here. So we have, looks like engines, front covers, bombs, and we have landing gear and some pilots, and looks like the cabin right there. Yeah, the cockpit. So got that. So we got the top of the wing right here. It's pretty long, so I had to go a little further back there, guys. That looks like about over a foot of wingspan right there. Now we have the bottom of the wingspan right here, and I like to talk about my favorite YouTuber I've been watching lately, Max's Models. He builds a lot of planes, military, cars, just about anything. He does his own style, and I like the way he does his videos. So, but this is the bottom of the plane, uh, the wings. Sorry, Max, if I don't get the terminology right on this, but it's just a car guy doing a plane model review. So, got the tail wing, landing gear doors, and it looks like the flaps for the main wing there, and some kind of antennas or wires right there. And looks like we have the other half of the rear wings and some doors for underneath the bottom of this. So that's pretty cool also. And a little, looks like a golf bag door. I know it's not that, but looks like it. Got the wing, the propeller, and the another pilot, and a part that's just labeled 66 right here. So that might be for the turret right there. So yeah, this has like a turret and a cockpit area too. So it's kind of unique. And we got another bomb on here, another few bombs. And it's a Grumman Avenger, what it says right here. That's kind of cool. Now we know what name of it is. That's the white part so far. Let me put these back in the box and I will show you the glass. So we have the canopy and other glass pieces right here. And it looks like it has an opening canopy right here. Yeah, because the pieces are separate there. So that looks kind of cool. And this is that turret piece I was telling you about. So, very cool kit. I will let you know how this builds out with my next build series. I'm thinking of doing a build series of something that flies. So, be kind of a fun thing to do. All right. Thanks for watching Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And have a great day, guys. All right. Bye.